good morning guys. In this session I will be taking you through what is GRE writing module and how are we supposed to prepare for GRE writing module. So when it comes to GRE module in writing guys, we will be having two tasks to perform, task 1 and task 2. So they are essay writing. They are essay writings. And they are graded between 0 to 9. They are separately graded between 0 to 9. And they'll be giving you two essay writings. They'll be giving you, you're supposed to write two essay writings. The first essay writing will be analyze an issue, and the second essay writing will be analyze an argument. Analyze an issue and analyze an argument. When it comes to analyze an issue, guys, you're supposed to write between 500 to 600 words. How many words? 500 to 600 words for task 1. And for task 2 also it remains the same. It's 500 to 600 words. And for every essay guys, they will give you 30 minutes. How many minutes? 30 minutes. And again it will be 30 minutes here. The total duration of the writing task in GRE will be for 60 minutes. How many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay, chalo. Now let's get into what is analyze an issue and what is analyze an argument. Okay, tell me guys, what is an issue? What can be an issue? Come on. What is an issue? Issue is cool. What is an issue? Generally, what is an issue? Problem. Very good. Here they give you problem guys. Here they give you problem, and you are supposed to do what? Critical analysis. Critical analysis. And in essay, what will you be writing guys? Solutions. We'll be writing solutions. Here they give a situation wherein you are supposed to do critical analysis on the particular statement, and you are supposed to produce your solutions. So what can be solutions for a problem? For example, we have environmental issue. Okay, what can be solutions? What can be solution for environmental issue? For example, we are having pollution. Okay, all the cities are polluted, water is polluted, air is polluted. What can be solutions for that? That will play a role here. Okay, what will be the solutions here? Plantation of trees. It's about plantation of trees. And next, use of public transport. People should stop private transport and they are supposed to use what? Public transport. Next, stopping deforestation. Deforestation. What else can be a solution? Bringing rigid laws. Guys, you know pollution doesn't happen through vehicles. Guys, all of it was saying. Pollution doesn't happen through vehicles. It even doesn't constitute even 5% of pollution happening around us. It happens through chemical releases from the factories. They release chemical into the air. They release chemicals into the water resources. They emit what guys? Hazardous gases into water resources. Now what should be done? Laws should be what? Laws should be what? Against what? Factories which emit more hazardous gases. Chemicals, they emit chemicals into the atmosphere. So this is called as what guys? Solutions. Issue has a solution. They are trying to find, they are going to check what type of solutions are you providing and is it reaching that particular issue or not. Clear? So this is called as what? Analyze an issue. Next comes analyze an argument. Okay, tell me guys, what is argument? Why do we argue? Why do we argue? We argue on something, right? So now argument is happening 18 years, 21 years. You open YouTube, what you can find? 18 years, 20 years. So a bill has been passed in Parliament saying that age of marriage for girls should be 21 years, not 18 years. Now this is a statement. Now what happens with the Parliament? They start arguing on that. They start arguing. So argument happens on what guys? Facts. It happens on facts. When there is a logic missing, we start arguing on it. Next, we try to argue on what guys? Evidence. We try to argue with evidence. And what else we do? We conclude. So let's take this 18-21 years concept of women getting married. So when, for example, a bill is passed and I am saying that why 21? It is only 18 years. Why? Because in 18 years, woman is given a right to vote. Women can live in extramarital status. She can marry anybody. She can even live in a living relationship. When you are allowing a woman to live in a relationship when she is 18, why are you restricting her to not get married? Women can even start business. So now, what is happening guys? logic is working out there. Logic is working out. Then we have counterpart, which says that when it is 18 years of age, woman is not getting educated. Counterpart will be there, na? Somebody will be there to counter me. So then I start bringing evidences. I say in Dubai it's 12 years. In South Africa it is 15 years for a woman to get married. In England it is, you know what's the age for a woman to get married in England? Anybody? 14 years. Now I bring in evidences. I bring in evidences says that these are these many countries wherein they are allowing women to get married at 18, 15, 14. Why not in my country? Why not in my country? That is called as what, ma? Fighting with evidence. Fighting with logic. Then I bring in facts. And I will even look into errors. I look into errors of a particular statement. Then start writing on it. That is called as what? Analyze an argument. Argument will happen only on evidence, logic, facts, and then I will try to. Okay, this will be again, you are supposed to write between how many words? 500 to 600 words. Again 500 to 600 words. Okay, this was just an overview of GRE writing module. This vlog we are making only to make you understand what do we exactly have in GRE writing. Until next video guys, I will be taking you through exactly what we have in reading module also. Why? Because in GRE you will be having only reading and writing. You don't have listening and speaking. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you. Got it?